Are you ready to take control of your finances and make your money work for you? In this video, we'll walk you through creating a budget step by step, and trust us, our final tip is a game changer. Welcome back to Financial Blueprints. If you're serious about mastering your money, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into creating a budget that actually works. Stick around until the end for our top tip that simplifies budgeting like never before. First off, why is budgeting so important? A budget is your financial blueprint. It helps you understand where your money is going, ensures you're living within your means, and sets you up to achieve your financial goals. With a budget, you can prioritize your spending, save more effectively, and avoid unnecessary debt. It's all about gaining control and reducing financial stress. Step 1 is to track your income and expenses. Start by listing all your sources of income, salary, side jobs, and any other earnings. Next, track every expense. This includes fixed expenses like rent and utilities, and variable expenses like groceries and entertainment. Write everything down, or better yet, use a budgeting app to keep things organized. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation. If you need a refresher on understanding personal finance, check out our previous video on the basics of personal finance. The link is provided in the description. Step 2 is to categorize your spending. Break down your expenses into categories such as housing, food, transportation, entertainment, and savings. This helps you see where your money is going and identify areas where you might cut back. Step 3 is to set your financial goals. Think about what you want to achieve: paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or building an emergency fund. Use the SMART goal setting technique to make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Now, step 4 is where you put it all together to create your budget. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. If you have money left over, great. Allocate it towards your financial goals. If you're spending more than you earn, look for categories where you can cut back. Adjust your budget to make sure you're not overspending. Remember, the goal is to live within your means while still making progress towards your goals. Finally, step 5 is to review and adjust your budget regularly. Life changes, and so should your budget. Set aside time each month to review your spending, make necessary adjustments, and ensure you're on track. And now, for our top tip, automate your savings and bill payments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account and automatic bill payments to avoid late fees. This way, you're saving and managing your money without even thinking about it. So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a budget that works for you. By tracking your income and expenses, categorizing spending, setting goals, creating your budget, and reviewing it regularly, you'll be well on your way to financial stability. Remember, budgeting is a powerful tool that puts you in control of your money. If you haven't seen our previous video on the basics of personal finance, make sure to check it out. And stay tuned for our next video on effective tips for saving money. You won't want to miss it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Financial Blueprints, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Until next time, take care and stay smart with your money.